Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are live on location in Brixen, Italy today. And we are at a Progress Group's job site showcasing their wall panel system using green code technology. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Solutions Group is successfully driving companies to succeed where others have failed. Are you looking to start a factory, optimize your existing factory, streamline your production, or take your team to the next level? Whatever your needs are, Forward has a solution for you. Reach out to Ben at forwardsolutionsgroup.com. Halleck Ltd. has a long history of innovation in cold form steel manufacturing and producing innovative precision roll forming technology for customers throughout the United States and the world. Check out their machine buyer's guide for off-site modular construction or fast build construction with light steel for framing. Go to their website, halleckltd.com. Brought to you by Greatech, one of the largest Autodesk partners globally and software developer of the PowerPack Advanced Design, Advanced Steel, and the StruxSoft product line. The complete solution to automate wood and light gauge steel framing, design and documentation, all the way out to CNC output. Model, design, and manufacture with StruxSoft. Learn more at struxsoftsolutions.com.
We are trying to convince with Green Code, generally with the building system, is that you have to use all the components intelligently, find the right combination for your project. So what you see here is beam type structure. So you're not limited only to walling elements, but this is more like a beam, which will come over an overpass, like something like this.
As a header, we'd call it.
Yeah, just a header element. And also in this header element, very small elements, you still have the tubes for the electrical
wiring.
Sockets, the wiring. Somewhere in there is some electrical parts.
And then you also, looks like you have a pipe for maybe some other mechanicals there or for some reason.
Yeah, this is the lifting tube. Will be actually lifted.
That's what the strap's going around.
Yes, that's where the straps go around.
Okay.
So the whole element is lifted by this tube. And this tube is also made out of fiberglass, so they also do not have here thermal bridge.
Right. So this is great. So you have a header, you already have everything in place for the wiring to be pulled through, and you have the fiberglass lifting tube right there. So this thing just gets strapped up with your typical lifting straps from the crane, and it picks it up and puts it in place.
And then it gets finished up for concreting, and with the pour of the slab, everything is then poured together. You have the monolithic building system and already finished. So just in terms of finishing, what will be done here afterwards, it might be a small paint job, or they put something else on the walls, but they are smooth, they're ready to be painted, and they're finished.
They get to work.
Yes.
Faster, quicker, and
efficiently, and just the production side gets done quicker. This is the major benefit of prefabrication.
I love it. I mean, what else are we going to look at here, man? There's so much.
I think we're just going to head over there and have a lot of bird's eye view.
Yeah.
And then we'll just head down, okay?
Perfect. Let's do that. All right, Bernhard, so we're now on, what is the second floor? There's a whole nother level going above us, correct?
Yes, the office building is going to come up 1 or 2 levels more over here.
Right. These walls are a monolithic pour all the way from the factory to the first floor here, right?
Yes.
So that's one structure. I'm assuming it comes lying down this way. What are we showing on the top here?
What you see here on the top here is the connection reinforcement to the next level. So the slab will be placed on top of here, and then there is going to be a pour which connects the slab to the wall, just to give it the same monolithic rigid building as you would have done in an on-site pour.
Right, so that wall is hollow at the top, yes, and that rebar is tying everything together. So when that when that slab is put on top and then you pour the concrete on top of the slab, it ties it all together with the rebar.
With the rebar and the connection into the next level, and giving it then the whole overall monolithic building system.
It locks everything in place. Perfect. Well, why don't we take a look? It looks like they're getting ready to lift a wall panel. We should probably show how that's done.
Yeah, we just need to turn around and then we can see how they are going to lift the next wall panel into the construction site.
Yeah, perfect. All right, now we're on the exterior of the building, and you can see the sheer mass and scale of these wall panels, the Green Code panels, the Progress Group panels, but you can also see the window openings, and the window openings are prepped for installation already.
Yes, what you can see here, they've been prepped for the on-site pour, so they've been supported. The wood is going to be taken out, and then the window manufacturer is going to mount his windows just inside. So everything can be quite smoothly, quite easily done. Not a lot much afterwork needs to be done there.
And then on the other side here too, this is a building you've already done.
Yeah, I think that this has been finished last year or sometime last year.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is what we've done.
And that's a functioning workshop with parking on the roof.
Yes.
Perfect, so let's go into the basement and take a look. All right, so now we're on the lower level of the building, and we were just talking on the way down, you know, not sure if it's the basement level or the lower level, but it is definitely below where we were just at. Look at the size and scale of this down here.
And this has already been finished during the actual construction on the floor that we've been just before, where they are still mounting the elements. Here at the ground level, they're already starting with the buildup of the finishing works. So what you see here behind here, the electrician's cart, and MEP engineers which are coming in and finishing off the building. So this even reduces the overall project flow more, because you can already start working with the next trades and finishing off the building here.
So this was set, they did the monolithic pour, they're still working upstairs as we were just showing. They can come down here and start working on the remaining portion of the MEPs, and there's some heating systems above us.
Yes, in this case there is a different solution which is done if you have those pre-stressed slabs on top. So the heating and cooling system here is also from the slab, but in this case later on mounted.
So that was not done at the manufacturing facility. Now this is a commercial space, but it can be done at the manufacturing facility.
Can be in the manufacturing space.
Yeah.
It's just always depending on the project details, what is the most efficient way. It's also for us, for what we are trying to convince with Green Code, generally with the building system, is that you have to use all the components intelligently. So you do not need to use all the components all the time. You use them when they are most economical and most viable, and then you find the right combination for your project and your solution.
Well, and that's it. And it's not for every project out there.
No, it's not, definitely not for every project. You don't have to fool yourself that everything is for every project.
Right.
You find the right project, and then it's very quick, very fast, very economical. And then the living and working area is very, very nice, because you can already feel inside here.
Oh, this is cool. I'm not going back up there.
On the outside, when we were upstairs, it had 30, 35 degrees. So it was actually quite hot. When we were here, we were in the lower 20s. So this is actually quite nice to work with. And this is even without the heating and cooling. So it's just the mass of the building really decreases the temperature.
Yeah, it's just the natural way that the concrete works, and the massive size of what's going on here. And massive isn't big like we think of massive in the United States. Massive means heavy structure.
Yes. It's a solid structure.
So we are standing in a commercial construction site right now. It was close to the factory, easy to come visit. You guys are doing the same thing on a smaller scale for single family homes.
For single family homes, multi-family homes, whatever you want.
Right.
It's just that this was the most convenient location and just went over here.
Perfect. Do we have a completion date on this set yet? Do you know?
Probably mid to end of this year, they want to start moving in.
Yeah, great. So if somebody wanted to do this, they could reach out to you?
Yeah, just come ahead, call us, text us, or drop us an email, talk to us about your project, and then we can see how we can maybe do your project as a Green Code project.
Yeah, Green Code with the Progress Group. You can look it up there. So I think that's kind of a wrap, right?
Yeah, sure.
Well, hey, listen, everybody, enjoy this drone footage. I'm Dave Cooper. Bernard, thank you for bringing us out here.
Thank you very much, guys.
Awesome. Stay tuned for more. We are in Brixen, Italy, and we are showcasing technology in construction and the people that are building it better. I'm Dave Cooper. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Bye now. Ciao. What an amazing show. Thank you to all of our sponsors for helping us to continue to bring all of these innovative conversations to all of you out there. Please visit them, see what they have to offer you, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell. It would mean the world to us. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.